Marcano Studios.
We will talk about some sound effects together. Let's go! Some sound effects are short, like Sky's peeing sound effect. Some sound effects are medium, like Satow's pooping and moaning sound effect. And some sound effects are longer than ever, which is Moonlight's 3-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects. And today's talking about sound effect is the pooping sound effect from Omarashi Freak, also known as the slime sound effect. Alright, so this is the second to last episode of the Let's Talk About Sound Effects series from Season 2. Hello guys, IRL Noella here, and today I will talk about the pooping sound effect from Omarashi Freak. It's from a video called Omarashi Scat, Part 1. XX, your local gotcha kid XX. It was uploaded 10 days ago on August 22nd, 2025. The duration of the sound effect is 0:35 to 0:44. The total seconds are 9. And speaking of total seconds, I'm adding the total seconds in the description to update it before Season 3 begins. Also, one more episode left. The music will be removed at the beginning and end. Here's what it sounds like now! See? That's what it sounds like. This sound effect is only used for my O-Season characters when they poop or when they have explosive diarrhea of themselves. And it's also used for my O-Season characters when they are playing slime. It sounded like a slimy ball of putty. The silly putty sound effect. Yeah, you can call it the silly putty sound effect from Omarashi Freak 2. Remember, kids, if you want to use that sound effect, use it in your videos, but be sure to give credit to Omarashi Freak before using her sound effect. Also, I will link this video right here, and it will be in the description. The sound effect from this video starts at 0:35 and ends at 0:44. Make sure you remove the music at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later. Oh, and one more thing. The final episode of the Let's Talk About Sound Effects from Season 2 is Aria's 2-minute farting sound effect.